Okay, this is lesson 3 video 2 demonstrating the extra work that was, or the creative work that was added onto the original assignment. So let's go ahead and let's restart the app. Get that. Okay, so when we restart the app, the first thing that I added was this drop-down kind of list thing we have here. So we have an about and an additional computations. Let's check out the about first. So when you tap on that, it gives a brief description, tells what the user is able to do. It gives us a list of the mathematical operations, and then it tells us about the input scale feature as well. So that's the about the application page. And if we go back to the home, then we tap on this and we go to the additional computations tab. So same thing as before, it validates. We can try out the same numbers, so 5 and 2. We'll just stick with a regular 1x input scale and we'll say divide. Compute, and we again requested information, 5, 2, divide, and spits the results 0.9901, spits them back out here. So yeah, and just to show others are also working, I can show you exponents working, show you the modulos working, and last but not least, subtract. Alright, so those would be the additional features that I added, so mainly the about and additional computations tab. Thank you.